Hi, this is Varun and you are watching Mr. Productivity. In the last video, I showed you how you can remove the green screen from a footage and add your own background. In this video, I'll show you some quick editing tips. So let's play the footage. Let's say I want to split the footage from here. So I'll go and select the footage and hit the split button. Or I can just hit S in my keyboard. Sorry, the background got splitted. I want to select again the clip and hit S. And if I want to remove this clip in between, I have to just hit delete in my keyboard. Now to remove the gap, as you can see, there is a gap in the video. And to remove the gap, I will hit the delete button here in between the clips. As you can see, there is no gap right now, and I will adjust the length of the image to the clip. In between two clips, you can also add transitions. When you hover over between clips, it will give you an option to add transition and hit the plus button. And as you can see, a transition is applied. And that transition is the default transition. You can change it by going here and just drag the transition to replace it. After you add a transition, you will have an option for transition. Once you select it, here is the option for transition. You can actually select the duration and you can select another transition also. To add text, go to the text and click on text and select your text you want to add and hit the plus icon. As you can see, it is added to the timeline. I will adjust the length by dragging the text. All right. Now I'm going to quickly edit the text. Just select and start typing. It will edit the text. And here I can adjust the size of the text. Okay. After you select the text, there will be an option here, the text option. You can change the font color from here. Change the color. And let's say I want to middle it. So I align it to the middle. And now I'm going to select the footage and let's play the footage. As you can see, the text is in front of the footage. So I want to bring the text in between the spokesperson and the store. So I will select the text and drag in the timeline between the spokesperson and the store. Then we will adjust the text and we are done. Let's play the clip. Well, you can play around it. There are many options here, like you have stock images, stock videos, music and sound effects, and you have some beautiful templates also. These are the video templates. You can add your YouTube intros, you can add Instagram videos. These are free templates. And you can also add your brand kit. There is an upgrade option also. If you upgrade, you can have those footages for free. There are some premium footages also. You can have those for free. In the left hand side, you can just flip horizontal, vertical and rotate the clip and crop the clip also.